Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Pro and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings. So if you've got only the battery indicator and you'd like to have this, this percentage inside of it or next to it, then enter the settings. Now let's scroll down and tap on notifications and control center. Here we have to scroll down to the status bar, and as you can see, we've got the option battery indicator. After tapping on it, you can see that we've got 3 different options, and probably for some reason you've got this one. You can set the one I've got applied, so the percentage inside the battery icon or next to the battery icon, and the percentage is more visible. So it's of course up to you. So basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Xiaomi 13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.